सो हेलो गाइस, टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू सी स्पीच के बारे में थोड़ी सी इन्फॉर्मेशन दे देती हूँ आपको। जो एकदम बेसिक इन्फॉर्मेशन है वो मैं आपको दे रही हूँ, जिससे कि आपका एटलीस्ट एग्जामिनेशन अगर कुछ है तो वो तो निकल ही जाएगा। इतना तो मैं आपको गारंटी दे ही सकती हूँ कि ऐसा नहीं होगा कि आपको कुछ भी नहीं आता है, आपको कुछ तो आता ही होगा। ठीक है, तो देखते हैं स्पीच के अंदर क्या है। द मैनर ऑफ प्रेजेंटिंग द वर्ड्स स्पोकन बाय समवन। कोई कुछ बात कह रहा है तो उसको हम आगे वाले को कैसे बताते हैं, दैट इज़ व्हाट स्पीच इज़ नोन एज। स्पीच आर ऑफ टू काइंड्स, डायरेक्ट स्पीच, इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच। प्रेजेंटिंग द वर्ड्स ऑफ द स्पीकर विदाउट मेकिंग एनी चेंजेस, जैसे बिना कुछ चेंज के अगर आप दे देते हैं तो डायरेक्ट। दैट Rahul said, I admire Virat Kohli. Indirect speech, reported speech, presenting the words of the speaker without reproducing them in the exact manner. For example, Rahul said that he admired विराट कोहली। ठीक है, तो ऐसे आप इसके बाद में चेंजेस ऑफ टेंस, सिंपल पास्ट जो है सिंपल पास्ट जो है सिंपल प्रेजेंट जो है सिंपल पास्ट में हो जाती है। प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस, पास्ट कंटिन्यूस, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट, पास्ट परफेक्ट, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस, पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस, सिंपल पास्ट परफेक्ट, पास्ट कंटिन्यूस, पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस, पास्ट परफेक्ट, पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस, पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस, विल, वुड, शैल, शुड, कैन, कुड, मे, माइट, मस्ट, हैड टू। अब इन दोनों में जो है नो चेंजेस रहता है, यानी कि पास्ट परफेक्ट और पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस में। तो पास्ट परफेक्ट और पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस क्या होता है वो एक बार देखना पड़ेगा। ये आ गया टेंसेस। पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस, पास्ट परफेक्ट, ये रहा। ठीक है, पास्ट परफेक्ट क्या होता है? आई हैड प्लेड, वी हैड प्लेड, यू हैड प्लेड, हैड आई प्लेड। हैड वाले जो होते हैं वो सब, ठीक है, पास्ट परफेक्ट में आ जाते हैं। एंड हैड वाले और उसके अलावा ये आई हैड बीन वाले, तो हैड और हैड बीन वाले, ठीक है, इनमें कोई चेंजेस नहीं होते हैं यहाँ पर। ठीक है, हैड और हैड बीन, विल, वुड, शैल, शुड, कैन, कुड, मे, माइट, मस्ट, हैड टू, मस्ट, हैड टू, will, would, shall, should, can, could, may, might, must, had to. Change in the personal pronoun I, he, she, me, him, her, my, his, her, mine, his, hers, we, they, us, them, our, their, ours, theirs, you, he, she, they, you, him, her, them, your, his, her, their, yours, his, hers, theirs. Change the words into expressing time and place. Now, then, tomorrow, the next day, the following day, last night, the previous night, the night before, later, after, the day after tomorrow, in 2 days' time, today, that day, tonight, that night, yesterday, the previous day, thus, so, ago, before, just, then, at present, at that time, एट प्रेजेंट आएगा, है ना, एट प्रेजेंट, एट दैट टाइम, नेक्स्ट वीक, द फॉलोइंग वीक। अब इसके अंदर आएगा देयर आर 2 वेज, मैंने आपको बता दिया था। ठीक है, हम केवल अगर एग्जाम्पल्स भी पढ़ लेंगे तो भी बहुत हो जाएगा अभी तो। ठीक है, तो वो एक बार देख लेते हैं एग्जाम्पल्स। ये रहा एग्जाम्पल्स। ठीक है, डायरेक्ट स्पीच और फिर उसके इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच। Today the video has been shooted in black and white, therefore you are seeing the color like this, है ना, इसलिए आपको ऐसा दिख रहा है, because the video is been shooted in black and white. The book is of green color but it is being shooted in black and white. Okay, so example, direct speech के अंदर दिया गया है, she said Trishla hates school. She said that Trishla hated school. He said the train is coming. He said that the train was coming. He said Ram has not turned up yet. He said that Ram had not turned up yet. He said Mom has been working since morning. He said that Mom had been working since morning. They did the homework in time. He said that they had done the homework in time. I said I will not return the book. I said that I would not return the book. She said that Sorry, she said Neha can swim very well. She said that Neha could swim very well. He said she must go home at once. He said that she had to go home at once. Must को had to. ठीक है. I said Kamini is not well. I said that Kamini was not well. She said he may go home soon. She said that he might go home soon. ठीक है, ये वाले चलते रहेंगे. फिर उसके बाद में अगला आ जाता है. इसके अंदर क्या है? यहाँ पर सिंपल प्रेजेंट जनरल ट्रुथ डज नॉट चेंज इन रिपोर्टेड स्पीच. जनरल ट्रुथ जो होता है ना, सनराइज इन द ईस्ट. अब सनराइज थोड़ी हो जाएगा, सनराइज होगा. ठीक है. द टीचर सेड दैट द सन राइजेज इन द ईस्ट. द टीचर सेड दैट द सन राइजेज इन द ईस्ट. द टीचर सेड India became free in 1947. The teacher said that India became free in 1947. Rohit says Richa is glad to be here. Rohit says that Richa is glad to be here. Or she said I am happy. She said that she was happy. He said to me, Grandpa will come again soon. He told me that the grandpa would come again soon. He said they like to travel in a group. He said that they like to travel in a group. Here are some exercises we are going to fulfill. है ना. ये वाली 8, 9 और 10 तीन ये वाली बची हुई हैं. बाकी ये वाली भी बची हुई हैं. इधर की तो कंप्लीट हो गई है. हाँ, ये वाली करेंगे और उसके बाद में ये वाली करते हैं. पहले इस पे आ जाते हैं. Underline the correct option in the following sentences. Direct. She said Mrs. Kher will help Kiran in her studies. She said that Mrs. Kher would help Kiran in her studies. She said that would. Her mother said to her, do not be late to school. Her mother told her not. Her mother said to her not to be late to school. Said to her. She says the weather is very pleasant. She said that the weather was very pleasant. She said to me the old man is too tired to walk further. She told me that the old man was. She told me that the old man was too tired to walk further. The teacher said to the class, the tubes are thin and long. The teacher told the class. The teacher told to the. Told के साथ to नहीं आता है. The teacher said to the class that the tubes were thin and long. Amitabh said to us, don't go near the river. Amitabh told us not to go near the river. These are done. Rohan said they were getting late for the party. Rohan said that they were getting late for the party. They were getting late for the party. They had been getting late for the party. They were. She said to me, Richa needs help to complete the assignment. I think according to me इसका होना चाहिए. She said that Richa needs help to complete. Richa needed help to complete the assignment according to me. Next, the coach said to the organizers, the team captain is unwell. The coach told the organizers that the team captain was unwell. The coach told the organizers that the team captain was unwell. She said to her aunt, "The little girl is tired after the long flight." She told she told her aunt that the little girl was that the little girl was tired after the long flight. Next है rules for changing direct speech into indirect speech. We'll just read all the examples thoroughly. ठीक है. The boy said, "I am a brave boy." The boy said that he was a brave boy. The boy said, "We are very brave." The boys said that they were very brave. She said, "My father is a doctor." She said that her father was a doctor. I said to her, "You are a brave girl." I told her that she was a brave girl. I said to him, Your brother is a brave boy." I told him that his brother was a brave boy. I said to them, "You are brave boys." I told them that they were brave boys. He, she तो हुई थी टेबल है ना. Next, he said, "You are brave." He said that I was brave. I said to her, "He is a good boy." I told her that he was a good boy. I said to him, "She is a good girl." I told him that she was a good girl. I said to him, "They are good boys." I told him that they were good boys. Change in words. इसके अंदर यहाँ पे Ali said, "I will watch a horror movie tonight." Ali said that he would watch a horror movie that night. The girl said, "I must go to Delhi tomorrow." The girl said that she had to go to Delhi the next day. Sunil said, "I plan to leave for Australia next week." Sunil said that he planned to leave for Australia the following week. Sham said the teacher left an hour ago. Sham said that the teacher had left an hour before. Manish said, "I am busy now." Manish said that he was busy then. Miss Jyoti said to me, "Put these pencil shavings in the dustbin." Miss Jyoti told me to put those pencil shavings in the dustbin. Now this is all filled. Let's come to the next. Next में भी everything is filled. Okay, ये पढ़ लेती हूँ. पढ़ा देती हूँ. इधर इसमें क्या है कि रूल से चल रहा है ना. Ram said, I met him last year. Ram said that he had met him the previous year. He said to me, "I haven't done my homework yet. I cannot accompany you." He told me that he had not done his homework yet and that he could not accompany me. She said to him, "I don't believe you." She told him that she didn't believe him. ठीक है. Read what in this picture say. I am going out for a walk. Mr. Wilson said that he is going out for a walk. Jack said that he didn't like dogs. Mohit told Rohit that he will bat first. Mr. Timothy is Mr. Timothy said that he was a carpenter. Mr. David told the class that they were disturbing the class. नहीं, Mr. David told Nick and Ananda that they were disturbing the class. Paul had bought a new cat.